on my GoPro looks incredible.
Oh, I bet.
I mean, there's something right in the middle there.
In the back there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do see that.
Wow.
Oh, right here in front of us. Yeah, I see what you're talking about.
Yep.
That's spinning hard.
Keep
turn left here.
Turn left.
Yeah.
There's a needle right there.
What's up?
You see that in the back?
Oh, yeah. Come on, camera.
Should we stop? It's fizzling. It's fizzling out.
Yeah, it is.
Maybe we'll go further down. So we have some time. The hook is still ways away.